Did you know that January is Financial Wellness Month? Stick around to learn why this is a good time to review, plan, and update your financial goals and strategy. Not only is it a new year, but January is National Financial Wellness Month. This is a great time to review your financial situation and your goals for the future. You should also review if your financial strategy needs any adjustments or changes based on your lifestyle and goals. Now, the first thing you want to do is define what financial wellness means for you. This is going to vary from person to person, and it usually stems from who you are, where you came from, and what your experiences with money have been. Now, a person who has had serious financial troubles in their life might have a different view or expectation than a person who has enjoyed relative financial stability. A few things to ask yourself are, how much should I have saved? How much income should I be bringing in each month? Where am I with debt? Would things be simpler if I carried less debt? How fluid is my cash flow when it comes to expenses that are not so urgent? Think of going out for dinner or drinks with your friends, or maybe a small weekend getaway, versus some of those larger expenses, such as buying a new car, maybe purchasing your first home, or a larger appliance for your home. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, will I be able to retire at my target age? Thinking about financial wellness is often a matter of setting goals for what you can accomplish now and what you can work on as part of your longer term financial strategy. For now, consider taking these actions. Review your goals and your why. Establish systematic savings to help you create an emergency fund, and then second level savings for future goals. Consider automating your payments, especially for regular items, including your student loans, your credit cards, and other installment payments. That will make sure that you're not missing any type of payments that could hurt or harm your credit. And with that, remember and always review your credit score on a monthly basis. You can sign up for that for free on a lot of different sites. And check that credit report once a year, or if you know something may have happened to cause the report or your score to go down. And then review and track your progress to help you stay accountable to your goals. These are, of course, not hard and fast rules. Every individual has their own specific definition of financial wellness. Some of these examples might feel like a long reach. Others you might already be doing. The good news is that with careful practice and scrutiny, many people can gain a feeling of satisfaction and even pleasure from maintaining financial wellness. If you are looking for guidance and want to make a solid change to your financial foundation, be sure to check out my new program, The Debt Fix. I created this course to help people take control of their finances, freeing themselves from bad debt and starting to build a solid financial foundation. Now, inside the Debt Fix, we're gonna build an action plan to put you in control of your money rather than letting your money control you. Free you from the debt trap that's been holding you back. Create a working budget and finally start saving money. And if you have any existing debt, learn tips so that you can finally get rid of that existing debt so that you can get ahead in life. Check out the link in the description box for more information, and let's make this the year that you take control of your finances and that you become financially fit.